Today I'm going to show you how to shorten a pair of trousers with a tailored or blind hem, so it's done by hand. So first thing you need to do is to decide what is going to be the finished length of the trousers. The easiest way to do that is to actually try them on with the shoes that you're going to be wearing and put a pin to the finished length. And then you get some tailor's chalk, which looks like this, and you're going to chalk a line in where you want your finished length to be. Now for these trousers, we're going to allow 1.5 inches or 4 centimetres for our hem, which is a nice generous hem. So we do another line. And the reason we do 2 lines is so it's really obvious which line is going to be our finished length and which line we're going to cut. So when we've got our second line, we're then going to cut the excess fabric off. So if there was a hem on the trousers originally, we've unpicked that in advance. So once you've done that, what we're going to do is we're going to fold up our hem, and I'm going to use a contrasting thread so you can see it, and we're going to tack or baste the hem 1/2 inch or 1 centimetre from the cut edge. So I'm just going to baste it like that all the way around, and that will keep the hem up. So I've folded it 1.5 inches or 4 centimetres up. So we tack all around, and then we're ready to hand sew this now. You're going to fold back the cut edge along the tacking line. So you've got this ridge here, this ditch, what you're going to sew in. Starting on one of the side seams. So I'm going to do 3 stitches to start myself off. Then when you're doing the hem itself, you're going to slide your needle where it's folded over like that on the hem side. And then on the trouser side, you just literally want to pick up 1 or 2 threads. That's very important. So you just pick up 1 or 2 threads, and you don't want to see that needle on the right side. And every 4 or 5 stitches, you do a little reinforcing stitch, a little safety stitch. So you just do 1, and you do another 1. And that's in case you pull any of these threads so the whole hem doesn't fall out, and you carry on like that all the way around. So when we come back around to the beginning, again, finish off with another couple of threads, so do about 3 stitches there, and that'll reinforce your hem. Then you can very gently press the folded edge using maybe a wet cloth or something like that, just very gently, and you won't see that from the right side.